Today, Dr. Shravani, Municipal Chairperson of Jagityal Municipality of my Parliament segment Nizamabad, has joined Bharatiya Janata Party. She has resigned from her chairpersonship on 25th January 2023. Today, she has joined Bharatiya Janata Party only to strengthen Narendra Modi ji's leadership in Telangana, and we are well aware of the family rule, arrogant family rule, corrupt rule of Kalvakuntla Chandrasekhar Rao and his son, nephew, daughter. Telangana is completely has gone 30 years back into history. There is no development. Other than corruption, there is no activity. So, especially Dr. Shravani, facing the arrogant nature of the leaders of TRS party, she has, out of self-respect, given her resignation. She still had 2 years term as municipal chairperson. She has sacrificed, and today she is in Bharatiya Janata Party to strengthen the party in Jagityal district and my parliament segment. We all welcome her into Bharatiya Janata Party and wish her good luck.
Hi friends, మా టుడే టుమారో యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ చూస్తున్నందుకు చాలా థ్యాంక్స్. మరిన్ని లేటెస్ట్ వీడియోస్ కోసం వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. అలాగే ఈ బెల్ ని కూడా రింగ్ చేసేయండి. మా నోటిఫికేషన్స్ అన్ని మీ మొబైల్లో వస్తాయి. అలాగే మా వీడియోస్ మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, నచ్చకపోతే కామెంట్ చేయండి.